Hi there, Laura Wilson here. Today I am doing look 8 of my 12 days of Christmas looks. So today I'm doing this look, and I know my eyes aren't perfectly even because it was quite challenging for me, but I had fun doing it, and I feel like I should be dressing up as an elf now because this eye look reminds me of elves. So I've used 5 different palettes for this eye look, plus some highlighter. So I wouldn't be expecting that you would be using the same palettes as me. Just go through your collection and find whatever colours you want if you wanted to recreate some version of this look. And let's go and get on with the look. So today I'm going to do a red, gold and green Christmas look. So I'm going to start off with, I think I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution palette here called Life on the Dance Floor. And I brought this one about a month ago and I haven't actually used it yet because I've been using lots of other palettes. So I'm going to have a go with this one. I'm going to be using some of these darker reddy colours here, possibly this one too, we'll see how we go. It's got the names on one of these little plastic sheets. So I'm going to start off with Dark Corner, which is this colour here, I think. I'm just going to use a little fluffy packing brush, and I'm going to do like a halo eye, kind of. It's not exactly a halo eye. It's got some decent pigmentation when you first put it on. So I've got my eye primer on, but I didn't set it down. But it has been on a while, so it's had time to set naturally. I'm going to go in with a smaller flat brush, and I'm going to go into that colour called Throwback, which is just above that other one. It's a more purpley colour. I'm going to go into the CHI palette here. This is the Freedom palette, and get that bright red. We go back into Dark Corner, the first colour we used. Now I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing next. I think I'm going to go in with this colour here. So it's a kind of a peachy pink. It's a matte. I'm going to run that in the transition. And I'm just using my Real Techniques Instapop shade brush. And I'm going to go into, I'm just going to get my sponge. I've just got my little makeup brush cleaner by Be Me. I'm just going to clean off that fluffy brush a bit. And I'm going to go back into that bright red that I stuck in the middle from my CHI palette. Now this is going to be an interesting bit. I need a really small brush. Which brush do I want to use? I'm going to use some of my my Essence Glitter Primer. Just squeeze some onto the back of my hand, and I'm going to use this tiny little lip line brush from Flawless Beauty. And I want to do kind of an hourglass shape. So you probably can't see that. So I'm going to go into another brush the same but clean, and I'm going to go into my CHI OMFG2 palette, and I'm going to go into this bright yellow here. I actually go in with a little liner brush. So even that little brush that I was using is a bit big. I've got yellower lashes now. Didn't turn out quite as bright as I would have liked it. Maybe I need to do some concealer first. So I'll try that on the side and see if it works better. I keep doing looks that I have no idea if they're going to work or not, but that's the way I paint as well. I keep doing paintings that I have no idea if it's going to work or not when I film them. I just give them a go anyway. And then I'm going to go back into the glitter glue and go over that. Okay, so I'm going to try and do the yellow again. That's what it's looking like so far. So I'm going to have to fix this eye up so it's the same as this eye, so I'll do that and come back. So they're not completely even, but they're as close as they're going to get. I'm going to go in with my Designer Brands Gold Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm going to do that crease line in the gold glitter. Actually keep my eyebrows up while it's drying, and I'm also going to do a bit on the top there in a kind of a triangle. While that's drying, I'm going to try and do my eyeliner. So I'm going to use my green, emerald green eyeliner on the bottom lash, and I'm going to go into my CHI Enchanted palette. I'm going to start off with this one, and then I think I'll go into this one. Then I'm going to go into my black eyeliner. It's just my Rimmel Exaggerate Blackest Black, and I'm going to tightline. And I'm also going to just go in with my NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner in black. And I'm not doing a wing, I'm just going to go over the top of the top lash there. And I'm going to put my mascara on, so I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic and my BYS Super Slim. And so I'll do my top and bottom lashes and come back. I'm going to go in with my Revlon Beyond Natural lashes, which look like this. I'll put those ones on and come back again. So now I'm going to go into my Rimmel Spice Edition palette. And I'm going to go into this white, slightly shimmery shade here. I'm going to put that along the top of my brow bone. and buff that out. And I'm also going to do that in the inner corner. I'm going to put a little bit of that on my finger and pretend it's a highlighter. My eye's watering a bit from the glue from my eyelashes. So, I haven't got any actual highlighter on my cheeks yet. Got glitter on my face. So I've got my blush on already. I'm not sure if I've got enough on yet. So I'm going to put my lipstick on and then I'll see if I've got enough blush on. And I think I might go for a bright red lip today, so I'll go and get that. So I'm just going to go in with my L'Oreal Paris lip liner in Perfect Red, which looks like this, which needs sharpening. And then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Metal Liquid Lipstick in Molten, which looks like this. A lovely orangey red, which is the kind of red that I like. That's what that looks like. And yes, I think I'll need a little bit more blush, because now that I've put my lipstick on, my cheeks are looking really pale. There is quite a lot happening with the bright red lips and very colourful eyes, so I could have gone with a nude lip, but it's Christmas, so why not? I just put a little bit of red gloss on. This is the LA Colours gloss in Brilliant. So it's just a red gloss. Okay, so I'm going to go in with some gold highlighter. So I'm going to go into my Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. And I need a highlighter brush, so I'm just going to use my highlighter brush from Artiste and put some of that on the tops of my cheeks and around here. I think I might go into my Milani Berry Amore Baked Powder Blush, which, oops, if I can get it open, looks like this. Then I'm going to put some extra blush on my cheeks there. This one is slightly shiny too. It seems to be more than just slightly shiny. I think I just want some matte blush. Just want a little bit of pink, so I'm going to go into my CHI Immaculate Brush Ombre, the Immaculate Ombre Blush collection, which looks like this. And I'm just going to go into this side where there's a bit of pink. Just want a little bit more colour. And then I'm going to go in with Whisper from my BYS highlighter palette, which is a lighter pink. I'll just clean off my little brush that I was using before. And just put a little bit of that lighter gold on the top there. Now, I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I think I might put some of the gold just in the inner corner as well. And there is my look 8. I feel like I should be dressing up as an elf. With that red and gold, my red lip, I feel like I should be an elf. That is my look 8, my Christmas look 8, I don't know how to word it. Here's look 8, that's what I'm trying to say. Here's look 8 of my Christmas looks for my 12 days of Christmas. And I hope you enjoyed watching that, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.